When you're considering SiteMax for your church management needs, there are a few things you need to know before committing. While it's a solid option, it's important to weigh these factors against other solutions in the market. Let's dive into the 12 things you should keep in mind. First, SiteMax is known for its strong project management features, especially for construction teams, but it's now branching into church management. However, if you're expecting a church-focused platform like Planning Center or Breeze, you might find it lacks some of the deeper church-specific tools those platforms offer. Next thing, SiteMax offers a comprehensive suite of tools for managing your church's day-to-day activities. This includes scheduling, membership tracking, and event management. But if you're looking for detailed sermon and media management, this might not be the best fit. The third thing to consider is SiteMax's mobile app, which is highly rated for on-the-go project management. It's helpful for teams working outside the office, but when it comes to church staff managing volunteers and services remotely, it might not be as intuitive as other church-specific apps on the market. The fourth thing you should know is about pricing. SiteMax offers tiered plans, but some users report that the pricing can be a bit higher compared to more church-centered platforms. You'll want to calculate whether the features justify the cost for your specific needs. Next thing is the integration options. SiteMax integrates well with tools like QuickBooks and Google Workspace, but it's not as flexible when it comes to church-specific software. If your church uses specialized systems, you might run into limitations when trying to sync everything seamlessly. The sixth thing is user experience. SiteMax can be a bit overwhelming if you're just starting out. For church leaders used to simpler tools, there's a learning curve that might not be ideal for everyone. Platforms like Church Community Builder or Realm might feel more intuitive for a church's administrative team. Next, SiteMax excels in project management tasks like budgeting and team collaboration. However, if you're more focused on fundraising or donation tracking, you may find other options like Tithe.li or Donor Pro better equipped for that purpose. The eighth point is about customer support. SiteMax offers 24/7 support, which is great for troubleshooting on the fly. But the church-specific platforms often have support teams who are specifically trained in church operations, which can sometimes be a more targeted help for your needs. Another thing to keep in mind is the customization options. SiteMax is relatively flexible for users who need specific features, but again, when compared to other church management tools, the level of customization for ministry-related functions might not be as robust. Next thing to consider is scalability. SiteMax is a great choice for medium to large churches with a lot of programs, services, and events. However, smaller churches, or those just starting out, may find it too complex for their needs, with other tools providing more streamlined options. The 10th thing to mention is SiteMax's reporting capabilities. You'll get detailed financials and project reports, which are great for construction-focused churches. However, for ministry-focused reports like attendance tracking or small group management, you might find the built-in reports lacking compared to platforms like Breeze. The 11th point is security. SiteMax has strong security protocols in place, but because it's more focused on construction management, it may not have the same level of church-specific data protection features found in platforms tailored to religious organizations. Finally, SiteMax is definitely a good option if you need a tool that covers a broad range of functionalities. However, if you're specifically looking for something designed to address the needs of a church, you might be better off looking into other platforms that focus purely on church management. In conclusion, SiteMax could be a great choice if your church needs a more generalized management tool. But if you want a solution that's truly built for church operations, we recommend checking out our top solution. You can try it for free and see if it fits your needs better.